A very good morning to all of you students. Today in science we are going to discuss lesson number 5, common insects. So let's begin. Some common insects. Bees, ants, houseflies, mosquitoes, butterflies, beetle, etc. are the names of some common insects which we have seen in our surroundings. Now we'll discuss about parts of an insect's body. An insect has 3 body parts: head, thorax, abdomen. Head. An insect has 2 feelers called antennae on its head. The antennae help it to smell and feel. 2 large eyes and mouth parts are also present on the head. Thorax. It has 6, 3 pairs jointed legs and 4, 2 pairs wings. Abdomen. Insects have holes called spiracles on their abdomen. They breathe through these spiracles. Social insects. Insects that live together are called social insects. Example: ants, termites and honeybees. Ants live in a colony. There are 3 types of ants: queen ant, male ant, worker ant. The queen ant is an adult female ant. The only work of the queen ant is to lay eggs. Male ant. There are some male ants in an ant colony. They also have wings. They mate with the queen ant. Worker ants are divided into different categories, that is soldier ants. They guard the opening of the colony to protect it from enemies. Forager ants, they search for food. Nursery worker ants, they take care of the larva that hatches from the eggs. And cleaner ants, they clean the colony. Honeybees, they live in beehives. There are 3 types of honeybees: queen bee, drone bee, worker bee. The queen bee lives for 1 to 3 years. Its work is to lay eggs. Drone bee, it mates with the queen, and after mating the drone bee dies immediately. And worker bees, they do not lay eggs but they do most of the work. They look after the larva, secrete wax, build the honeycombs and clean and protect the hive. Reproduction in insects. All insects reproduce by laying eggs. As you can see in the picture, there is a life cycle of a butterfly. It has 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, butterfly. So let's discuss. In the first stage, that is egg, the female butterfly lays eggs in a cluster on the upper surface of a leaf. In the second stage, larva or a caterpillar, each egg hatches into a larva that looks like a worm, which is called a caterpillar. It eats leaves and grows quickly. In the third stage, pupa, after a few days the caterpillar stops eating. It forms a protective covering around its body. It is called a cocoon. At this stage it is called a pupa. Adult. Inside the pupa the caterpillar slowly changes its shape, and after some time the pupa bursts and an adult butterfly comes out of it. Useful insects. Do you know, children, that many insects are useful to us? That is, they help us in many ways. Let's discuss such insects. We get honey and bee wax from honeybees. We use this honey in milk, jellies, jams and cakes. Even the bee wax is used for making candles, cosmetics and polishes. Then there is an insect called lark, which gives us lac, and it is used for making bangles, toys, paints, buttons, etc. Then there is an insect called silkworm, from which we get silk, and the silk fiber is used to make clothes such as saris. Then, as we have discussed about some useful insects, there are also insects which are harmful to us. For example, locusts destroy our food crops. Then mosquitoes suck our blood. Female Anopheles mosquitoes carry germs that causes malaria. Aedes mosquito causes diseases like dengue and chikungunya. Cockroaches and houseflies spoil our food items, and when we eat such food items we fall sick. Termites destroy wooden furniture and books. Then there are cloth moth, which makes holes in our clothes and spoil it. Well, that's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.